To examine whether a guru has compassion, one must check whether their teaching is consistent with the sutras and shastras. Many disciples think the compassion of a guru is other than their teaching, the supreme Dharma. They think the guru is compassionate if they call them often, take them on a pilgrimage, or have dinner with them. This definition of a guru's compassion is wrong. In general, when a guru accepts a disciple, the guru should teach the Dharma to the disciple. As for the disciple, they should keep the guru's teachings in mind and always put them into practice. It is up to us whether or not we take advantage of the teacher's compassion and actually embark on the path to liberation. The Buddha also told his disciples, "I have shown you the methods that lead to liberation, but you should know that liberation depends upon yourself.